Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in GoDaddy. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click on your name. From there, select My Products. Now, scroll down until you see the Domains section. Find the domain that you want to work with, and beside it, click on the DNS button. This will open up your DNS management settings. To create a subdomain, we'll need to add what's called an A record. So, on the DNS settings page, click on Add Record. For the type, choose A from the drop-down list. Next, in the name field, type the subdomain you want to create. For example, if I want my subdomain to be support, I'll just type support in that field. For the value field, we need an IP address. To get that, scroll through your existing DNS records and look for one that already has the A type. Copy the IP address from that record, then go back to your new record and paste it into the value field. Once everything looks good, click the Save button at the bottom. After that, your subdomain is now created. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.